Imagine a world where ice burns, or an entire world which is made of diamond, or a cosmic cloud which is made of alcohol, or a place in the universe which is so cold that even empty space feels warm. What if a planet where you age slower and another planet where you age faster, right? The universe is full of surprises. And today we're exploring mind-blowing facts about the universe. Hi, I am Sarvartha and welcome to MindMeld.
Alright, here is our first fact. Imagine a planet where ice doesn't melt, even though it's hotter than an oven. Sounds impossible, right? But let me introduce you to GJ 436b, a exoplanet that throws everything we know about physics out of the window. Well, GJ 436b is a Neptune sized planet. But here is the kicker, its surface is covered in ice, yet the temperature soars above 800 degree Fahrenheit. So, how on Earth, well, not on Earth, but in space, does ice exist in such an extreme heat? It's all thanks to the planet's insane gravity. The gravity is so intense that it keeps the ice locked in place, solid as rock, even while the surface is burning. It's like walking on a frozen fire. Can you imagine you are walking in a field of ice, but the air feels like a furnace? It's a place where everything we know about how ice works just doesn't apply. GJ 436b is the ultimate contradiction, and it proves that the universe is full of surprises that can bend the rule we thought were set in a stone. So, the next time you think about a planet with ice, remember this: in space, ice can burn. And trust me, GJ 436b isn't the only place where these things happens. Alright, moving on to fact number 2. It's a fact that both out of the world as well as a little intoxicating. Imagine a cloud of alcohol so massive it could give every single person on earth 400 trillion pint of beer. Yeah, you heard it right. 400 trillion pints. That's enough for a never ending cosmic party, right? This cosmic cloud, known as Sagittarius B2, it is floating around 26,000 light years away in the Milky Way near the center of our galaxy. But don't go book your space shuttle just yet. Turns out this cloud is made of ethanol. Yes, the same stuff which is in your hand sanitizer. So, not exactly drinkable. Still, it's crazy to think that out there in the vastness of space, there is a giant cosmic cocktail we can never taste. It's the biggest bar in the universe, but we will never get to visit. Just another wild example of how the universe keeps surprising us in the most bizarre discoveries. So, while it might not be on the menu of happy hours, the idea of an intergalactic alcoholic cloud is definitely one to raise a toast to. So, here, cheers to the universe's wild sense of humor. It's time for fact number 3. Alright, let's talk about cold. Like the kind of cold that makes even the vacuum of space feels like a warm tropical vacation. Space is already freezing, but there is one place that takes cold to a whole new level. I am talking about the Boomerang Nebula. The place, located 5,000 light years away, holds the record for being the coldest known spot in the entire universe. How cold? Brace yourself. We are talking about a mind blowing minus 458 degree Fahrenheit. Yeah, colder than the space itself. To put that in perspective, it's just a hair above absolute zero, the point where atoms literally stops moving. That's how cold we are talking. Imagine a deep freezer so intense that even the vacuum of space, which is already a frosty minus 454 degree Fahrenheit, feels warm in comparison. It's like the universe's ultimate freezer, atom barely even able to move an inch into this place. So, what causes this insane chill? It's the nebula's expanding gas, which cools down as it stretches out. Think of it as nature's version of your refrigerator, except it's on a gigantic scale. It's so cold, even light seems like it might need a sweater. The Boomerang Nebula, where the cold gets so intense it freezes your mind just thinking about it. The ultimate deep freezer of the universe.
Alright, get this. When you look up at the night sky, you see a lot of things like planets, stars, our moon. It looks huge, it looks massive. The universe is massive, right? But do you know the things you see is actually very less than what the universe is made of. It's maybe like a 1% of the entire universe which you can see. Yes, because scientists believe that the 99% of the universe is made up of something called dark matter and dark energy, which doesn't emit any lights or any energy. The universe is full of wonder that stretches the limit of imaginations. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe and let me know in the comments that what is the next thing you want to learn. Thank you guys.